MasterClass is where you will get all the informations you need for your business. Are you a businessman or a businesswoman? And you need to grow your business, or you need to start a business? The Bible says wisdom is profitable to direct. You have wisdom. Christ has been made unto you wisdom. And you need to learn how to direct this wisdom. And you will learn how to direct the wisdom God has given you by registering for MasterClass. MasterClass gives you the direction, gives you the guide, gives you all the information you need to start up a business, to grow your business, to expand your business, to take your business to another level. Why do you wait? Take that business to another level. The link to register is showing on the screen. Go ahead now, register, and be part of it. God bless you.